Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we are going to be going through Goatseus Maximus. Yeah, GOAT is the ticker because this coin has been doing very, very well with the Truth AI bot that we've all been following there. And you can see this is one of the quickest and fastest growing meme coins over the course of October. Okay, so it's very, very important that we should be tracking this because it is very, very important because we're actually invested in this bad boy and we want to be making as much money as possible. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be an in-depth, detailed breakdown of this asset's price action, and then we will be going into some predictions as to where we think this Goatseus Maximus coin can be going here over the next weeks, months or so. And I will be completely transparent. I'm not just going to tell you it's going to go up, okay, because it might go down, and we will dissect that together, right? So Goatseus Maximus ranked 125th out of every single cryptocurrency out there, currently 9,900 on CMC. Priced at 52 cents a coin, it has gone up 395% in total, which seems a little bit low considering it's at currently $528 million market cap. Let's look at the all-time high market cap because that was pretty recent. Okay, that actually topped out at around $878 million. Didn't hit the all-time high of $1 billion, which we love. We want those billies, okay? So didn't quite get there, but the growth was really, really nice and quite substantial. I'm slightly concerned now about the chart, and we will go into as to why very shortly. But in terms of SEX listings and stuff like that, you've got Mexi, Gate.io, KuCoin, BitGet, HTX, Orca. There's not on Binance or any tier ones just yet, but a $500 million coin with a volume of $200 million over the last 24 hours. It's quite unlikely that we don't see, it's quite unlikely that we don't see a tier one listing very soon, okay, which will obviously be very bullish for the price. If Binance lists it or Coinbase or any of these tier one exchanges, then we know this bad boy is going to sail all the way to $1 billion. So I just wanted to start with that before we go into the sort of technical analysis aspect as to why I'm slightly concerned about this chart right now. But before we do that, let's just have a little look at Pepe Unchained very quickly, guys. As I said, I don't want to keep you guys too long, but this is a very important project because they have just raised $23.7 million in their pre-sale, and basically the gimmick of this whole thing is Pepe now has its own blockchain. It's a layer 2 base protocol built on Ethereum like base chain, and basically what they've done here, they've built a blockchain for Pepe. And now that blockchain is going to be used for meme coins to be built on it. Okay, so it's basically creating a new hosting place for all meme coins, which is, I mean, it's called Pepe. It's kind of written in the stars that this thing is going to be successful. We know it is. Like you can launch a Pepe coin, and like that, it'll have investment. Like, it's very, very rare that it doesn't see a lot of growth. To have an asset like Pepe Unchained with $23 million raised in the pre-sale, and they've built their own layer 2 blockchain to host meme coins being built on it. There's a lot of bullish green flags for me. I just wanted to say that, okay? Lower transaction fees, higher volume capacity, 100 times faster than Ethereum. Basically exactly the same as base chain, okay? But it's Pepe, baby. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Definitely want to go check out, guys. Links are in the description. As I said, it's raised $23.7 million already. Ethereum, USDT card, BNB, if you want to get involved. Now, back to Goatseus Maximus, because this is important and from a charting perspective. Let's move that favorites bar up and let's really dive into this, okay? So you can see it's very bare at the moment. We haven't got anything on the chart, and the reasoning for this is because I wanted to talk to you guys about this curve, okay? This usually happens when an asset goes parabolic, okay? But you can see the parabolic move like that. Parabolic means basically vertical to the upside, okay? You can see the parabolic move was like that, very strong before the initial pullback. The initial pullback was to around this level, and then we went parabolic again. But you can see if we're measuring the levels of how much growth we're having in this asset from these moves, you can see it's actually it's less, okay? It's 43%, 42% less than what we did have in the first wave. So what does that tell us? It tells us the momentum for this asset is slowing down, okay? And that is why I wanted to talk to you about this growth curve right here. You can see it's growing, growing. It's keeling over here. It's kind of descending down, and then we're looking for a break point. The break point that I'm talking about, guys, is this area right here, which is very important because you can see that we do have a very, very strong level of resistance on this top side here. level of support over here, level of support here, and a level of support here. If we break this low, okay, and remember, this is Mexi, okay, this is a Mexi chart, not a CMC chart, and on CMC, we have already broke the low, okay, so we should take that with a pinch of salt. Right now, it does look like we're about to have a bit of a pullback zone for Goatseus Maximus, probably something along the lines of that, probably touching lower levels here, and see if we can get some prices for that. Yeah, we're probably going to be touching lower levels, probably like how we rebounded from this area previously, and that would sort of be the prediction here to come down. In terms of the market cap, I don't like to say it's gonna cut in half. It is a 50% reduction in the price, and that would mean a $250 million market cap instead, which isn't great, but it kind of all depends on this tier 1 listing and other exchange listings right now. With an asset that has $200 million in volume, it's very likely that it is going to see quite a nice rebound here, okay? So it's definitely something that I wouldn't rule out here. Going up. But also, we've got to be very cautious about this micro market structure that has been set. And that is why I'm going to be drawing a little cheeky trend line down like that. Just because this could be a nice bounce point. And this is why we drew the lines earlier. Likely to see something along the lines of this, and then potentially continuation down. And what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be managing this trend line, managing this price action to see if it is going to descend. If it breaks this trend line here, guys, at this sort of area, I would be slightly worried, okay? That's the point where I would be looking to sell quite a nice piece of this. But you can see if we rebound and break this high, then it is going to be, again, a parabolic moonshot, okay? And then we're looking at basically something along the lines of this, okay? And if we break, again, this level here, then it is going to be another moonshot to the moon, okay? So overall, it's not looking too terrible. We do have to be very cautious about the areas and stuff that we are weighing up here whilst trading this asset. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Goatseus Maximus, whether you got involved with it and whether you're going to get involved with it or you're looking to trade it overall. And also, which direction do you think it's going to be going? Up or down? Are you bullish or are you bearish? Let me know in the comment section. I'm intrigued to know. Drop a little like on the video. That'd be amazing if you could do that if you found any sort of value here. We do appreciate those likes coming through. And we are uploading every single day here over on Crypto News. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell on. You're never going to miss one of our uploads. It's quite simple. Never going to miss one of our uploads if you subscribe. Before we end the video, guys, go check out Pepe Unchained, Layer 2 base protocol. They've raised $23 million. This thing is going to explode, in my opinion. A little bit biased because I bought a load of bags of this, and I'm very, very bullish, and I do think that this is an opportunity that you guys should capitalize on. But hey, that's just my opinion. Do your own research. Links are in the description. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.